Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Wednesday 29th of June. Solana is making some bearish patterns and we do have 3 black crows at the moment. So you can already see that this is not a good idea to enter, especially now that you're really approaching the weekends. You're just 2 days away for the weekends and you're putting in a bearish pattern as a 3 black crows. That means Solana has had its time and it's the end of the push to the upside. So basically, if you still look at it that way, there was a W pattern here. The technical target is pretty much met to the upside. So if you do take the top here to the bottom, it seems like you really went up there to the T. So on a daily time frame, if you do ignore the wicks and count the body, it actually did went to the technical target. All you did is you made a sideways movement, break it to the upside, came for the retest, amazing entry, moved to the upside, amazing, right? So it is what it is, and you actually met resistance. And in yesterday's video, I told you, all you want to do and see for Solana right now to continue is to break this level. When you break that level back test, then you're looking for that continuation all the way to $69. But the thing is that you never broke that level. You put an evening star, you've put in 3 black crows, that's the end of it. That's reversal, and this is continuation. That means you're looking for a deeper, much more deeper correction to the downside. So what I want to do is I want to go into the weekly and dive into the weekly and see what the hell we are doing in the weekly time frame as well. So on the weekly, you're putting in some sort of a bear flag, guys. You might be on the verge of putting in a bear flag. And that would take you really down. Damn, this is so scary. This is not good. Yeah, this is really not good, because if this ends up being a evening star, and as a matter of fact, you might end up putting a bearish engulfing candlestick in the next 4 days, 22 hours. So when you do that, okay, it has had its time. That's the end of it. And if that is actually a bear flag, then you're looking for a very big drop potentially that takes you all the way from there to there, and you might be looking for Solana to drop you all the way down to that level. Now this is ridiculous, really ridiculous. What I'm going to do, the log scale is really turned off, so if I do turn on the log scale, then damn, you're going for the minus. That's quite, oh, I actually did notice something here, and that is I need to bring in the log scale, not the percentage. Oh, sorry guys, I actually did something wrong. All right, so let's do this again, right? So that could be the bear flag right over there. Break the bear flag, and you're looking for Solana to basically take you all the way from there to there, and that's gonna be absolutely a huge drop down to $7.5. Damn, oh damn. And guys, be really careful. By the end of the day, it's a pattern that can possibly pay. And I told you even before, people didn't believe back in the days when I used to, you know, some people who have been following my analysis, they know this, who have been following me for a long time, that I did tell them, I want to give you a preview of the weekly on a daily time frame, if you don't believe what I'm saying. So you see, this was a bear flag, and I did tell people that the technical target was from there to there, and you're looking for Solana to drop all the way down from this price level down here to $24. And boy, didn't we actually came down near the $24. Yeah, you did went sideways, you know, a little bit down, up, a little bit down, up, but eventually you did went all the way to that target, nearly. So be careful, trade carefully, and that's it for today's quick update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.